Welcome to Data Science in Your Pocket, your home for advanced AI.
So hi everyone, OpenAI has just now released two models, that is O3 full version and O4 mini, and both the models are looking monstrous in nature. The results are great and they are doing well on multi-model capabilities as well. I would be covering all the details in upcoming video, but as you can see, these are the metrics and benchmarks. Though O3 is especially for the paid users, O4 mini has a free tier and every user can use it. So I'll be showing you how you can use O4 mini for free. So as you can see, I've landed upon my chatgpt.com account. Just ask it a question. For example, let me ask it, hey ChatGPT, how is the day today? Now as you can see, on this part switch model, you need to click, and now O4 mini should be visible for every free user also. Just click on this O4 mini, and now the output that is getting generated is using O4 mini in their latest model. This is quite nice. Let me try out another question. What would happen if earth is flat? Give a short answer. I think the default answer is coming from GPT-4o. You need to switch it every time, and then the answer would be coming from O4 mini. As you can see, O4 mini is coming here. So this is how you can use the latest OpenAI model, that is O4 Money, for free on chatgpt.com. Just switch the model. For O3 it is not for every user, it is just for the paid user, so we need to wait for the free version as well. I hope you try out the latest model and let us know in comments how you feel about it.